grease is always a better lubricant than oil when you're talking about sliding rubber over metal. So put a little bit of this white grease in there, and maybe go around the outside of this so it slides in there easy too. Make sure this is going to fit. Oh yeah, okay. Make sure I got the right one. Yep. It's on there nicely. Now this seal is going to have to go on, and it runs right in this area. So I got to make sure that this sharp edge here, which is, you can see where the oil pump drive gear goes on there, it just slides on and keys onto those two flats. But they kind of left sharp edges on there. It might be they have an installation cone or something that helps them get that crankshaft through that seal. But I don't want to try to put that crankshaft through this rubber seal with those sharp edges, as it might cut the lip on the seal. So I'm going to take a little bit of this abrasive cloth here and just kind of go back and forth over that to break those edges just enough so they're not sharp. If they're sharp, they might cut something, and I don't want that to happen. Yeah, it doesn't feel near as sharp now. That's good. Before it was pretty sharp. Let me get that off there. Make sure it's going in straight. Once it goes in a little bit, that's a lot easier. Feels like she's in pretty square to me. Got these little things for pushing in seals from Harbor Freight. That set has come in. You don't use it too often, but boy, when you need it, it sure comes in handy. And it doesn't cost too much. Okay, seal's in there. And the idea is to put the bearing in from the other side. And then, once you push the crankshaft through the bearing, you have to drop this down and get this gear lined up with the flats on the crankshaft. That's the idea of it.